Y'all want to?
I want to.
Okay, but you're reaching over my space, so I'll just let you do it.
Look how fast we're going, Mama.
We're going really fast.
Should we try even faster? Is this fast, Mama? Or is it? It's kind of fast. We're not fast. We need fast.
You give up?
No, I just want to relax for a bit.
Alright, I'll take yours.
We're both doing it. We're both doing
It's
it.
always end up in my hands for you to go. Definitely works the arms, doesn't it?
It does.
It's a workout for your arms.
I think she had the right idea just to relax for a little bit.
Yeah. Hey, Becca, do you really think that's working?
Yeah. It's getting heavier a little bit.
Are we slowing down?
It's getting lighter now. How is this so fun but so tiring?
Because they do not make it easy to spin these things. Yep, I think it's. You keep us going, Becca. You got it.
Yeah, we got it. You're lucky it's going slower without anybody.
Yeah, at least it still spins when nobody touches the thing.
Yep, a little bit.
Yeah, let's all take a break. Just put our hands on the table. If we put our hands on the table, it's just relaxing.
I think we're stopping anyway.
Put your hands on the table.
Ah, rude.
It's
Rebecca,
good.
the ride is ending.
No, feel it up.
Okay, which one do you want to do next? I kind of want to do. Sit down. I'll do the dragon one.
What's the? Oh, the one that gets
The little roller coaster one. Yeah, you want to do that one?
Yeah. Where is it though?
Right there.